it's just not safe. You don't feel safe and the boat's not safe. These are the times that really test us.
Yeah, we're going to take my time with this.
Oh, they're dancing.
Oh, we're dancing. Sorry, I think like... Sorry.
This is our little accommodation for the night.
This is what glamping looks like in Colombia and Minca.
Marina, Santa Marta, Marina, Santa Marta. Marina, Santa Marta, Marina, Santa Marta. You got a copy? Marina, Santa Marta. Move up. Okay, so I'll give you the lowdown. Last night we came into Santa Marta, and on entering the winds just got crazy. Like we started off at 30 and we were sailing on it, and as we got closer and closer they picked up to 40. We packed away the sails and we motored in. We thought we would find a protected anchorage in Santa Marta port, and it is not protected from the wind at all. We have been having 30 knots, 35 knots all morning. Now the sun's come up, all the fishermen are scratching their heads saying, "Wait, what are you doing there?" I don't know, this must be a bad spot.
They're all speaking Spanish so that we can't understand them and they can't understand us, but our radio seems to be broken, so we can't radio the marina or any of our friends. So yeah, what do we do now?
So we're going to try and motor into this marina, maybe get on the fuel dock and then go have a chat to them. But right now it's very unsafe. I've never seen winds like this. This is just beyond what I was expecting. And the thought has run through my mind this morning to just skip this town altogether and go to Cartagena. But we're going to try and get in this marina and see if they'll have us. But if it's not safe to dock, then I'm not even going to try. I can't stress to you enough how, as amazing as this lifestyle is and as cool as it is, there's these times right now where you've been sailing for 2 days and you reach this place you've never been to and the winds are just howling and it's just not safe. You don't feel safe and the boat's not safe. These are the times that really test us in terms of this lifestyle. Isabel is struggling, I'm struggling. After getting in contact with the marina and waiting a few hours for the wind to die down, we finally felt it was safe enough to motor in and try to dock. The wind's gonna push us in there. Beautiful. Thank you so much.
Welcome to the marina, welcome to Santa Marta.
Thank you.
morning
Good morning. Today we are in Colombia.
in Santa Marta.
We had a bit of a rocky old experience coming in here. The winds actually gust here stronger than any other place in the Caribbean, I think, my personal opinion. But we are safely in the marina, and today we are going on an adventure day, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going inland to Minca.
We are going exploring this beautiful little town. We have heard from friends. They say it's amazing.
It's in the jungle and it's super lush, super green. There's a river going through it, and there's heaps of plantation, coffee plantation, cacao plantation, birds flying everywhere, and yeah, we're gonna stay at a nice hostel for the day.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Holiday away from our holiday.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited. So we're gonna go out and grab a taxi. It's fairly cheap here, so yeah,
Let's do it.
it's gonna be good.
While I've got you here, guys, hit the subscribe button and click on the little bell to keep up with everything that we're doing.
Oh, they're dancing.
Oh, we're dancing. Sorry, I thought like. Sorry.
That's better. Get it right, would you?
Purple, 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 purple. This is our little accommodation for the night here in Minca. Give us a grand tour.
We are glamping. Follow me in. This is what glamping looks like in Colombia and Minca. Got our own fan and everything. And we got a river view. Have you shown them?
The river is right out the front, so check this out.
Ooh, we're glamping, baby.
Yes,
Are we excited?
very exciting.
I know you're hungry, so let's go get some food.
Let's
and
go
eat.
get some food. Action shot. Lazy cat. Minca, in its beginnings, was born by Germany and Italy, who saw the climate as a perfect place to grow coffee. Today, its village has only 500 inhabitants with a normally booming tourism industry. Due to recent global events, we were lucky enough to have this place to ourselves.
Hello.
I've never been a hammock person in my entire life, but I am slowly being won over.
So we're gonna get one?
Ooh, maybe Santa might bring you one.
Okay, I have had a brilliant sleep this afternoon. I'm feeling so fresh, aren't I, Isabel?
Fresh.
I was like a zombie this morning.
Yeah, you were struggling.
I didn't sleep too well last night.
Mosquitoes, actually.
But we are just checking this little town out.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Minca, we're going to go find a place to get some dinner.
Yes, dinner time.
We've got a place in mind. If you've been to Australia before, this place reminds me of like a Nimbin kind of vibe, like up in the country, up in the hills. It's really green. Everybody's relaxed and chilled. You haven't been there yet?
No, I'm just nodding. Like, yeah, sounds good. Yeah.
Ya te traigo tuya.
Muchas gracias. Happy Karen?
Last night we went to sleep with what you're hearing right now, which is this beautiful little river stream. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's just streaming past our room, and it was just so easy to get to sleep last night. The sun has come through the trees this morning. It is lovely. We've had some breakfast. We've caught up on some internet stuff, and now we are going out to tackle this amazing day. We're going to this beautiful spot. I don't know what it's called. I'll tell you what it's called soon enough when I get there. But it's meant to have some fantastic views, and hopefully I'll put up the drone so you can see this area from above. Let's go see Isabel. Hey baby. How did you sleep?
Oh, quite well.
Yeah?
The sound of the river is very soothing.
I like it. What are we doing today?
Oh, today we're going up to Sierra Minca Hotel.
Sierra Minca Hotel.
Pretty sure.
I like it.
It's basically up in the mountains, so we can have this beautiful view of Colombia and all the trees in the mountains.
Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. Our friends recommended to visit a beautiful hostel that sat atop of a nearby mountain. Renting 2 bike taxis, we made our way up the rocky trail to the peak and found some incredible views. We have found a little gem, haven't we?
Oh, it's so beautiful up here.
So we've just taken a motorbike ride, probably 40 minutes, maybe an hour, through some pretty hectic terrain. But we've got to the top of this mountain, and this place is called
Sierra Minca Hostel.
Sierra Minca Hostel, and I mean,
Yeah, wow.
we're pretty high up. There's not a breath of wind up here, and we have views all the way down to Santa Marta, and yeah, we can see our home, can't we? Highly recommend this spot if anybody's coming around Colombia.
There's a little infinity pool and cool lookout spots. Yeah, it's unreal. traveling?
Pretty good,
Yeah.
not gonna lie.
Liking the view?
If I had to spend some time off the boat, this is where it would be.
Such incredible spot.
A bit of behind the scenes action here in Merewether today. It is a pigsty, a rubbish tip. Isabel is editing. Good girl, she's killing it. Isabel, give us a thumbs up. How's the editing going? Woo! Okay, I am just cleaning up. Bit of spring cleaning, even though it's summer 24/7 here in the Caribbean. Recently, after getting the bottom paint done on Merewether, she's been going quite quickly. So I wanted to see how light I could make her, to see how quick I could get her. We were surfing down some waves on the last sail. We were getting about 10 knots. The Navionics actually picks up our top speed, and it will tell you throughout the whole sail what your top speed was. And it said at one point we were getting 13 knots, which is unbelievable. It's really just a surf down the wave. It's not an actual speed of consistent kind of speed. But I would like to see consistently how fast we can get Merewether through the water. So just doing a bit of a spring clean, cleaning up all the rooms. So we're just removing all the rubbish out of the boat so we can get at every little crook and cranny and try and get it back to 100%.
This is why I don't get any work done. This man right here.
There's a mess in here. I can't get
Right
it.
there.
I'm gonna
Show me your profile.
my profile.
Yes.
Which profile? My profile picture. Are we going for a profile picture or a thumbnail? What are we doing?
It's a mug shot.
Oh, mugshot. So I gotta look like.
And then the side. Other side.
Do we do this? You gotta do
Yeah,
this on
yeah.
there.
And then the other side.
Am I arrested? Am I arrested?
Yes.
Am I going to jail?
Yes.
I don't want to go to Colombian jail. Please don't send me to Colombian jail. I will come out very bad. A piece of my soul will be left in that Colombian jail forever.
Okay, you're free to go.
Jeez. It's a close one there, that was.